Hello my friends, I'm Regina. Welcome to my channel. And today I wanted to show y'all freehand sketch that I did on a blank note card. So the one I did today, I did like a little flower here, and then I did the flowers and the bumblebee, cute little bumblebee there. So I did those freehand with my just regular pencil, and then I colored them in with my color pencils. So yeah, so that's the inside of the note card that I embellished or decorated. And so there's the front of it. So I personalized it. See, this is the way these come. They're blank inside, and then they have the no message here, so you can personalize your message, personalize it on the outside and on the inside. So to do this one, doing a birthday card with it. So I did wrote happy birthday in my blue. I've got a whole pack of the markers, permanent markers in the ultra fine. So I did this one in the blue to go with the blue there. And it kind of goes with the little blue butterfly too. Okay. So, and then of course it's blank in here. You can personalize it. So I'll personalize my message here. And so you can, I really like these since you can personalize them how you want with either stickers or drawing sketches, or just write your note or your letter there if you want to. So yeah, I got these at Dollar General. And for those of y'all who watch my channel, I showed y'all these before. So you can get them at Dollar Tree, or like this set here came from Dollar General. It's 8 blank note cards, totally blank inside. And they're all 8, has this pattern, and then you get the note cards and the envelopes. 8 note cards, 8 envelopes, all for $1, and they're nice quality American Greetings. So yeah, that's a really good deal. Can't find many deals like this anymore. So yeah, if y'all see them, some of the Dollar General stores have them and some don't. So yeah, if you in a Dollar General store and you like these, you might want to pick you up some while they still have this deal. So yeah, they have this pattern, these pretty butterflies, and they have several other patterns. I've bought several different packs of these with different patterns. Okay, so I just wanted to share that with y'all. So, alrighty. I really appreciate each and every one of y'all. Thank you so much for watching. And I hope y'all are just great. I hope y'all are great. I hope y'all are having a fun and fabulous day. And I will talk to y'all on the next video. Bye, friends.